In this one, we're taking a little inspiration from basketball to help your soccer. This is half-court soccer. A small-sided game is like a scrimmage with a twist. In this one, we're working on team attacking and defending skills while squeezing the game into half the space. Use cones to create a rectangular grid that's wider than it is long. On one end, add more cones to form a line. This will be your check line. Place your goal on the other end. Divide players into 2 teams, 1 in pennies. You can play 3v3, 4v4, or more, plus an optional additional player as goalie who rotates. Here, we're playing 3v3 plus a goalie. Here's how it looks. Players scrimmage, but both teams are trying to score on the same goal, just like in half-court basketball. The other rule we're stealing from hoops? If a team steals the ball, they need to clear it by dribbling it across the check line, like that, before they attempt to score. In other words, no quick steals and shots from close range. Other than that rule, we're working on the same skills as in other scrimmages. For attackers, to spread out and work as a team to beat defenders. And for defenders, to make a quick approach to the ball, then to get low and slow as they get close. Coaches, expect things to get a little congested since both teams are going for the same goal. Encourage your players to think of the check line as an opportunity to work on their passing skills and to use their shielding skills to maintain possession of the ball, like that, as they clear the ball and make their plan of attack. Remember, check the ball, spread out, take a shot. A little hoops flavor can make your practice even sweeter.